Hello, I welcome you all in this part 3 video of chapter combustion class 8. In today's lesson, we will study about the flame. What is a flame? A flame is the region of hot burning gases. Like as you can see in this candle flame, the region which we can see, that is the region of hot burning gases, that is called a flame. We have to study this candle flame. This candle flame consists of 3 zones. The outermost zone, which is not visible to us, that is called the non-luminous zone and is the hottest part of the flame. Now, to test whether this non-luminous zone exists over the flame or not, let me take a candle and as you can see, the candle is not burning. I can burn this candle with the magic without touching the flame. I can burn this candle if I bring this to the hottest zone region or to the non-luminous region. You can see I am bringing it, I am lowering it down, and as it enters the non-luminous zone, it will catch fire. See, it has caught fire in the non-luminous zone, which is the hottest part of the flame. Let me take another thing, that is the matchstick I will be taking. It will also, I can burn this by putting it in the non-luminous zone. So without touching it, I can burn this when it enters into the non-luminous zone. So this is a magic that as it enters into the non-luminous zone, it has caught fire. The second zone which is visible to us, that is the orangish zone, and before that I will tell you that this non-luminous zone, it is the zone of complete combustion, because all the maximum oxygen available is for this zone. That is why it is the hottest zone and the zone of complete combustion. Now we will talk about this yellow orangish zone. This is the middle zone of the flame. Here partial combustion takes place and this is yellow in color, and since it is visible to us, this is also the luminous zone. So I am keeping this sheet, aluminium foil, over the flame, and let's see the characteristics of this partial combustion zone. So I have kept it for a while, and since it is a partial combustion zone, we can see over here that there is a circle of black soot over here. This black soot is the unburnt carbon particle which is there in the non-luminous zone. That means in the non-luminous zone we can have these unburnt carbon particles which are not getting the enough oxygen to change into the carbon dioxide, and that is why they have left unburnt and have formed a black soot over here. Now next this is the moderately hot zone. The last zone is the innermost zone, which you can see that there is a thin line over here in the center of it. This is the coldest part of the zone, and in this zone there is no combustion. There is a presence of only the unburnt wax particles. We can have this because there is no availability of the oxygen, since it is the innermost zone, therefore coldest, and therefore no combustion is taking place, and therefore we can observe that there is no combustion taking place over here. Let's do this activity. I have formed this a tube over here. I am putting this on this innermost zone, and let's observe. See, there are carbon, these are the wax vapors which are coming out of this. See, it has started burning. So that means it contains the unburnt wax vapors, which on the other side of the flame or the other side of the tube has caught fire and has which shows that there were unburnt wax vapors which have undergone the combustion over the other side of the test, over the glass tube, and therefore the combustion has, or there is a second flame which is formed over there. So we have studied that the candle flame has three zones: the outermost non-luminous, then the middle one that is called a luminous, and the innermost which is the coldest part of the flame. Thank you for watching.